circuit and most important circuit of this chapter, LCR circuit, means an inductance, a capacitance and a resistance all are connected into a single circuit with a alternating voltage source. This is called as LCR circuit. Now the voltage across inductance coil is VL, voltage across capacitance is VC, and voltage across resistance is VR. So if we make the phasor diagram of this circuit, this will be VL into 90 degree forward direction from current, VC into 90 degree backward direction from current, and VR is into the same direction as of current. So if we take the resultant of VL and VC, it will be VL minus VC or VC minus VL. Okay, so now we have taken as VL minus VC and VR. Now these are the only two voltages and the resultant of these two voltages is V. So if we calculate by this phasor diagram, the equation will be V square is equal to VL minus VC whole square plus VR square. But we know that VL is equal to IXL, where XL is the inductive reactance and XC is the capacitive reactance and R is the resistance. So VL is equal to IXL, VC is equal to IXC, VR is equal to IR. But if we take the total effective resistance, which is called as the impedance, so for V it will be IZ. We know by Ohm's law V is equal to IR, where V is equal to voltage, I is equal to current and R is equal to resistance. So after putting all the values, the equation will be in new form, that is IZ whole square IXL minus IXC whole square plus IR whole square. Now open all the brackets. So I square Z square, I square is common, so I square XL minus XC square plus R square. I square and I square will be cancelled out. So now Z square is equal to XL minus XC whole square plus R square. So after removing the square, right hand side is into the under root. So Z is equal to under root XL minus XC whole square plus R square. This is the final equation of impedance by which we can calculate the impedance of this circuit.